Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. Start by creating a comprehensive study schedule that maps out all your subjects and topics. This helps you visualize your workload and allocate sufficient time to each area. Break down larger topics into smaller, more digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember to schedule dedicated time for active recall and practice questions, which are crucial for solidifying your understanding and boosting retention. To truly master your material, embrace active learning strategies. Flashcards and self-quizzing are excellent for testing your memory and identifying knowledge gaps. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to an imaginary audience. This process clarifies your thoughts and deepens your understanding. Crucially, practice with past exam papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your time management skills. Your well-being is just as important as your study efforts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to consolidate information. Integrate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so, and include some physical activity to boost your energy and focus. Remember to fuel your body with a balanced diet and drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain optimal cognitive function. On exam day, a calm and prepared mindset is key. Do a quick, light review of your most important notes, but avoid cramming new information. Arrive at the exam venue at least 15 minutes early to settle in and reduce any last-minute stress. Once the exam begins, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly before you start answering any questions, ensuring you understand exactly what is expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.